Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. The symbolic signing of Jamaica's Foreign Exchange Ethics Code of Conduct took place on Monday at the Bank of Jamaica BOJ, where a few key stakeholders met to formalize acceptance and adherence to a common set of prescribed guidelines. These guidelines are said to be drafted around the principles of global best practices in the foreign exchange market. Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Brian Winter, in his opening remarks, stated that the adoption of the Global Code is aimed at enhancing the efficiency of the financial markets in Jamaica and was intended for promoting integrity, transparency, and effective functioning within the market. He deems the work in addressing this aspect of solidifying the foreign exchange market as very important, as this sector has earnings yielding more than $5 trillion every day. The symbolic signing today by the respective residents from the Bankers Association and the Cambio Association of Jamaica confirms that their members have signed the Global Code, indicating their commitment to ethics, governance, execution, information sharing, risk management, and compliance, Winter said. Sagicor Group Jamaica has announced that it could make more acquisitions. Group CEO Christopher Zaka says as the company earns more, it intends to use profit to execute more deals and grow the business.
We're always looking for acquisitions. We have Advantage General going on now. We are continuing to advance the finalization of the terms of the acquisition of Scotia Insurance. So we're not short of things to spend our money on, and we're always looking for stuff that is accretive, that will add value, and that fits within our strategic goals.
Sagicor Group also announced significant gains during the 6 months ending June. Mr. Zaka says most of the profit came from sales.
The core of this earnings is core operations. It's hard sales, expense control, etc. So I don't want anybody to be of the opinion that foreign exchange represents why we have done so well. Yeah, we are very, very proactive. Our Treasury Department meets weekly to look at the various macroeconomic situations, the US, Jamaica, Caribbean. Exchange rates are a part of that. We are not sitting back and waiting on this competition. We are innovating. We have a whole bunch of stuff coming in September on our health side, which is going to be very exciting to the market.
The company raked in $6.4 billion profit for the first half of the year. That was a 20% increase over last year. In Wednesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 6,319 points to close at over 500,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 71 stocks, of which 41 advanced, 24 declined, and 6 traded firm. The junior market index advanced by 21 points to close at 3,462. Stocks advanced for 138 Student Living, MG Packaging and Paper, Berger Paints, Caribbean Cement, and Caribbean Cream. Stocks declined for Barita Investments, Blue Power Group, Cargo Handlers, Derrimon Trading, and Elite Diagnostic. Trading firm were Caribbean Producers, Siboney Group, Dolphin Cove, JMMB Group, and Salada Foods. Wigton Wind Farm Limited was the volume leader with almost 25 million units, followed by JMMB Group with over 10 million units and Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited with almost 8 million units. News in oil. Oil prices rose for a 5th day on Wednesday, supported by a larger than expected drop in U.S. inventories and investor expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve will lower borrowing costs for the first time in more than a decade. Brent crude futures contract, which expires Wednesday, rose 41 cents to $65.13 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures gained 45 cents to $58.50 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.